Today, we are going to discuss the most burning issue of present times, that is AI disruption. AI is changing the technical hierarchy of IT job market like never before. The organizational chart you learned in 2018 is obsolete. AI is not just automating tasks, it is dismantling job categories, inventing entirely new roles, and rewriting what it means to climb the technical career ladder. No other technology shift has hit the internal structure of IT organizations as hard as AI is hitting it today. The changes are not evenly distributed. They cascade from the bottom of the hierarchy upward, erasing certain rungs while elevating others into positions of outsized strategic importance. Let's examine where the pressure is landing, which roles are being created, which roles are being hollowed out, and what the resulting hierarchy actually looks like for organizations navigating the transition now. The question is no longer whether AI will change your AI team. It is whether your IT team will shape how AI is deployed or simply react to it. Let's examine some of the changing scenarios of present times. 74% of IT leaders say AI has meaningfully changed at least one defined job role in their organization in the past 24 months. There is 3 times faster code production reported by teams using AI co-pilots, shifting time from writing to reviewing and directing. 40% of routine QA testing tasks are now automated at the leading technical firms, reducing need for manual test case writers. So before moving to how these changes are affecting the organizational structure, let's see how the traditional hierarchy looked like and why it worked. Classic IT departments ran on a pyramid of expertise. At the top sat CIO or VP of technology, beneath them enterprise, below the architects. Next comes the engineering body that are further split into senior developers and junior developers. At the base sat the QA engineers and operations staff. This structure had a clear logic. Expertise flowed downward and execution flowed upward, and the ladder provided a legible career path. A junior developer could reasonably expect to become a senior, and through years of hands-on coding experience, a senior could earn architectural authority. An architecture could eventually run a department. So the rungs were predictable, even if the climb was slow. So where the pressure is landing with AI disruption? AI's disruption is not uniform. It doesn't simply eliminate jobs. Instead, it selectively compresses certain layers while dramatically expanding the value of others. Let's discuss the impact layer by layer, that is, bottom, middle, and the top layer. Let's begin with the bottom layer. Bottom layers are being automated, not eliminated. Junior developer tasks are now handled faster and more reliably by AI coding assistants than by a first-year engineer. This is not a marginal change. The entry-level pipeline into software careers is under genuine structural pressure. QA is similarly compressed. AI can now generate comprehensive test case matrices in seconds, perform regression testing automatically on every commit, and flag anomalies in production behavior without a human writing a single Selenium script. Manual QA testers who specialize in writing test cases without broader engineering skills are the roles most directly at risk in the near time. Next is the middle layer, the talk of the town. Middle layer layoffs in tech firms have become a prominent trend in 2026. Senior level jobs are transforming. Senior developers are not losing their jobs, they are changing jobs. The new senior developers spend far less time producing code and far more time directing, validating, and interrogating AI generated code. This requires a different skill set, a different kind of cognitive work, pattern recognition for subtle bugs in AI output, judgment about when to trust a suggestion versus when to override it, and ability to prompt effectively enough to get production quality output from a model that doesn't understand context the way a domain expert does. Thus, the roles are transforming, not eliminating. Next comes the top layer. The top layer is gaining new adjacencies. CIOs are not being replaced, but they are gaining a new neighbor, that is the Chief AI Officer. The CAIO role has appeared rapidly in organizations that take AI deployment seriously, covering territory that traditional IT leadership was never structured to handle. Till now, we are constantly discussing roles are transforming, but what are these new job roles? So let's examine the new job role landscape in detail. Several entirely new job categories have emerged that did not meaningfully exist 5 years ago. Organizations hiring for these roles are discovering that the talent market is thin, partly because the universities haven't yet caught up with the curriculum, and partly because the roles require experience that can only be accumulated by working with the tools themselves. Emerging job categories at different levels are a CAIO, Chief AI Officer at executive levels, we just discussed. He's the one who owns AI strategy, governance, ethics, and ROI of all AI initiatives. He reports to the CEO or board, often alongside the CIO rather than beneath them. Next is an AI solution architect. He designs LLM pipelines, RAG systems, fine tuning workflows, and MLOps infra. He's the one who bridges the gap between ML research and production engineering. Another role is AI native engineering head at engineering level. He's the one who leads teams where AI co-pilots are first class team members, specializes in prompt engineering at scale, output review pipelines, and AI code quality standards. Another emerging job role is the AI augmented developer at the development level. He's the one who directs AI coding tools to produce features, validates output for correctness and security, and maintains the human judgment layer in AI assisted development. Some of the specialist roles that are emerging today are prompt and data engineer. They are the ones who curate training and evaluation data sets, designs prompts for production system, and manage fine-tuning pipelines that keep models aligned with organizational needs. At operational level, an emerging category is the AI reliability engineer. He is the one who monitors deployed models for performance degradation, data drift, and behavioral anomalies. He also defines SLAs for AI systems and builds observability tooling. So, in a nutshell, the skill ladder is becoming non-linear. In the traditional hierarchy, a junior developer with 3 years of experience was expected to progress towards senior, then staff, and then principal engineer. AI disrupts this logic. A junior developer who deeply understands a domain can direct AI tools with precision and can operate at senior level far earlier than the traditional path allowed. Equally, a senior developer who does not develop AI fluency may disappear faster than expected. So, who will survive the AI wave? The one who is ready to change, transform, learn, and upskill. Every great technological storm leaves behind a new world. AI is no different. You can fear the AI storm or you can learn to sail through it.